Hello, I'm Dr. Mao. Welcome to my new Balance and Restore series, which will replace Dear Dr. Mao for the next several weeks. To help you begin your New Year's health and wellness efforts, this first week's theme is detox and sleep. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter as you will be receiving weekly emails filled with tips that support each week's theme. Just go to dialofwellness.com and sign up today. When speaking about detox, most of you may associate it with the holiday excesses of sugar, fats, and imbibing. Well, that's true, but it's only part of the story. The other aspects of detox, besides getting rid of cancer-causing environmental toxins, are the most powerful substances of them all. Adrenaline, or proper medical term is epinephrine, and cortisol. These are hormones released during acute and chronic stress, respectively. So my question to you is, have you felt stressed lately? How about most of the last year? While the stress hormones help you survive and get out of danger by increasing your heart rate, blood pressure, blood sugar, and blood flow to your muscles, it also decreased blood flow to your organs, besides the critical heart, and then also the rest of your brain that did not have to do with survival. When the stress hormones build up in your body, if your liver doesn't do its job of breaking them down, they accumulate in your body, and the result is elevated blood pressure, glucose, inflammation, irritability, weight gain, and insomnia. This is the relationship between your liver and your sleeplessness, and underscores the importance of detoxification. Now, join me as we launch week 1 of detox and sleep. Here are 3 tips on detoxification that will help your liver reduce the cortisol burden in your body and improve your sleep. First, be water wise. 70% of your body consists of water. Is it important? Need I say more? However, that all water is not made equal. Your best bet is to drink water that is filtered but still contains its natural minerals. Be sure to filter it yourself instead of buying it in a plastic bottle. I use a Aquasana above-counter water filter. I've also installed a whole house filter on my house so that my shower is free of chlorine and other chemicals. Go to taostar.com, that's taostar.com, for a discount link to buy the filter. Now, in general, glass or stainless steel containers are the safest to store or drink water from, although newer BPA-free plastics are now widely available. The amount of liquid you need to drink depends on your size, weight, gender, age, climate, and activity level, but in general, take half of your body weight and drink that amount in ounces of water. So if you weigh 150 pounds, well, half of that is 75, so you'll need to drink at least 75 ounces of water, which is about 2.2 liters of water per day. So aim for at least a couple liters of filtered water each single day if you weigh 150 pounds. Second, detox with herbs. In Chinese medicine, there are herbs with specific properties to aid the liver in detoxification, break down stress hormones like cortisol, as well as help your liver eliminate other environmental toxins. They include such herbs as chrysanthemum flowers, milk thistle, dandelion, and hawthorn berries in our detox tea, which is available on taostar.com. These herbs also help with weight loss and lowering cholesterol too. By the way, your herbal tea volume counts towards your total recommended water consumption. So drink up and help your liver detoxify. Third, breathe deeply. Interestingly, did you know that you eliminate only 30% of your body's toxins through your bowels, urine, and sweat? That's right. The other 70% of toxins is eliminated through, guess what? Respiration. Yes, that's right. Carbon dioxide is one of the most toxic substances to your body and to the planet as well. Too much buildup of carbon dioxide can make you sick with headaches, drowsiness, disorientation, shortness of breath, and being tired all the time. Definitely not a state you want to be in. So get out and exercise and breathe deeply to get rid of your toxic gases. Additionally, download my sleep meditation, again from taostar.com. It will teach you to exhale longer and more completely, so that through breathing you can help your body detoxify while helping you increase the quality of your sleep. I hope you found today's first episode in the Balance and Restore series helpful to kickstart your New Year's wellness program. I encourage you to sign up for our Rebuilding Life Force, Restoring Balance, our annual health and wellness virtual retreat from February 10th to the 14th. Go to College of Tao website, spelled with a T, Tao, for a special one-time discount. Tune in next week for how to ramp up your energy and manage your stress. Until then, live long, live strong, and live happy.